Hey guys, I had a question on section 6.1, homework question number 8. Question number 8 is asking you for the indicated critical value, and they give it to you in the form of Z and then a subscript, and then they give you an area here. In your notes, it was listed as Z sub alpha, and the alpha in this case is 0.11. And what that means, the alpha is the area to the right of that z-score. Okay, so basically what they're asking you to do is they're asking you to find the z-score, the cutoff z-score on the standard normal distribution such that an area of 0.11 is to the right of that z-score. So it's very similar to some of the questions that I've done recordings on before, number 4 and number 5, specifically I think number 5. So let's go to StatCrunch and I'll show you how to do this one. You go Stat, Calculators, Normal. We're on the standard normal distribution since we're dealing with z-scores. So the mean will be 0, the standard deviation is 1. And since we have the z-score in this form Z sub alpha, we are looking for area to the right of our z-score, and that area to the right is 0.11. And we click compute, and that z-score is 1.23. They want 2 decimal places, so it would be 1.23. And we check that, and that's all it is to it. I hope this helps. Thanks.